Hello friends, I hope so you guys are enjoying my videos and ideas in it. As you're watching the video today's topic is DIY vertical herb garden. When you're ready to grow some herbs, the best DIY vertical herb garden ideas will help get your project off the ground. Herb gardens are always a nice touch since you can set them up indoors or outdoors. Whether you have an apartment or a house, you can set up herbs as a way to have fresh ingredients whenever you need them. Herbs are small enough to suit someone's need, but with a vertical herb garden, you can have even more thanks to how well they can save on space. They can fill up some empty wall space if you opt for a wall mounted garden. You can install them outside to reside next to your larger garden or even use it on its own if you only have a small footprint to work with. There are many cool ideas to work with when it comes to handmade herb gardens. You can create something that leans more toward the stylish side with a sleek and distinct design, like having a garden hang down from the ceiling. Alternatively, you can mount it to the wall like with floating shelves, giving your garden a modern appearance. For something that is a touch more creative, you can mount them in a different way that makes them look like they are free hanging on the wall like a painting. With numerous paths before you, you put together a list of some incredible homemade herb garden ideas for you to browse. We hope you discover a new DIY project to set your greenery up in a far more interesting way. Gutter is a great choice when you want to create a homemade vertical herb garden. The gutter has a natural runoff so that you don't want to worry too much about whether your herbs are treated properly. Simply hang them off the ceiling from a unique and appealing vertical herb garden design. Best of all, you can go wild with the paint job here to suit your decorative style. Then suspend your herb garden in an exciting way with this DIY hanging garden design. Each potted herb has its own slot, and the setup provides the garden with a lovely touch of style. This is the perfect way to keep your herb garden on display and easy to manage. You can make it as long as short you wish to best keep up with the plants you have. Small paint cans can serve as the best house for your custom herb garden. It is a straightforward way to create a vertical garden too, as you only need a couple of pieces of wood to attach to wall. Simply hang the paint cans up to act like traditional potted planters. You can also paint the cans themselves to give them more of your personality in terms of style. With this DIY project, you can create a bold and inviting vertical herb garden. The planters have a long, lovely color that makes them more attractive, and it contrasts well with the white holder. Everything is rounded out with the gorgeous labeling applied to each planter box. It is a fun touch to give this DIY herb garden more of a professional look. A vertical herb garden can also contribute to your personal style. Take this twist on a chandelier. The natural coloring of the buckets is a good idea to keep seeing as the sunlight can reflect well off them. There is such an ease about how these look while also coming across as beautiful thanks to the way you can set them up to hang over your outdoor seating area. A vertical herb garden is a fashionable way to have cooking ingredients indoor in a way that makes them act as a decorative pieces as much as they are functional. Thanks to the design, they leave a small footprint behind. This is an excellent choice if you do not have the space for traditional herb gardens, whether you want to use them indoor or set them up outside. Vertical herb gardens can be hung in numerous places too, giving you that much more freedom in how you decide to set them up. Best of all, you can make them yourself with the right tools and the right ideas. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like the ideas and you will apply on it. Subscribe our channel and hit the like button.